हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल राहुल जोशी एसईओ। और आज हम बात करेंगे, वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एसईओ। यस, यू heard it right. So let's start. So what SEO stand for? It literally means search engine optimization. And today we will have a complete guide on full form, search engine types, and what SEO covers. So this is just a complete guide. So let's start. So basically, SEO is search engine optimization. Let's break through it. User actively looking for an information. It is the search. The term search refers to users जो user है वो कुछ search करना चाहता है. That stands for search and then engine. So there are many platforms like search, Bing, and even YouTube where people search. So combining those two words becomes search engine. Then optimization. So improve your site that ranks higher in organic results. So हम अपनी site को optimize करते हैं according to the search engine so that our site can get a higher rank. So in simple terms, SEO helps a website appear on the first page of search result, even on top 3. So even without paying the money. Of course, you pay the money to SEO, but not in a PPC. You are not paying for ranking, you're paying the person. And in PPC, you pay the person, and the person again pays more money in your ads. So, this is the very basic meaning of SEO, search engine optimization. Let's start. Why is SEO important? So, SEO is important because it drives organic traffic, it builds trust and better experience with long-term result and competes online. So these are the 6 things why we need to do SEO. And there are many types of search engines like Crowdbase. If we talk about Crowdbase, bot can scan and index the web using algorithms like Google and Bing. Second one is human powered, sites reviewed and categorized by people, for example, old Yahoo directories and so on. And third one would be hybrid. This combines crawling with human reviewed listing like early Yahoo, meta search. These pulls this pulls results from multiple engines like Dogpile and Metacrawler. Vertical and specialty. These are focused on niche like YouTube, Google Scholar, or Amazon. So these are the search engines, and in simple term, for us, there are mainly one. Google is the search engine that 99% of the, not 99 but 95% of the public go to YouTube. I mean go to search, and then other search engine is YouTube where people search their queries. So let's move to the next one. Popular search engine. Yeah, that's what I said previously. Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo. These are the web search engine. YouTube is a video search engine. So these are the web search engine, and it is Google is mostly used. So what comes in SEO? So this is the first thing that comes in SEO. It is on page. It is optimizing your site. So on the site, on page means whatever changes you do on the site is called on page. So first one is the keyword research and the placement. You need to find the keywords of your business. What are the keywords? What are the words from your user is searching your product? So these are the keywords. For example, I have a store of shoes and a user is, and I sell mostly black shoes, so a user is searching for maybe black shoes for men. So that's your keyword to target. And then headings, content quality and relevancy, this is the most important factor. Image optimization, title tags, URL structure, internal linking and mobile friendliness. So ये structure है on page का. and this is the second base of SEO. As off page means whatever you do away from the website. It can be a backlink building, social media marketing, guest blogging, influencer mentions, and reviews and reputation. This is a very technical thing, as it says. This is the technical SEO. This works on the back end of the site, that includes site speed, robot txt, security, structured data, XML sitemap, site architecture, broken link fixation, code web vital. So this is the technical SEO. Other SEO components can be local SEO, content SEO, voice search SEO, and EEAT that applies everywhere in the site. So this is the SEO. SEO is a long-term investment. Don't expect that आज आपने कीवर्ड डाल दिया और कल आपकी रैंकिंग आ गई. No, it is not going to be like that. So hope you understand the video. If you want to learn what SEO, like how SEO works, I've started my series of 0 to Hero SEO. Go to the, let me show you where it is. I've started my series. You can just go to the page Rahul Joshi SEO, and here I've started my series where you can learn how to do SEO blogging full course. And if you have any query, just shoot in the comments and I'll be there to help you guys. So have a good life.